Hello, friends. Today things are a bit chaotic in the crypto world, but there's a giant that's quietly growing under the radar, so to speak, XRP. While everyone is chasing after Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are incredible things happening for XRP on the institutional side. Today I have some very critical data in front of me. According to what News BTC has published, there are explosions happening in the ETF, like a $75 million whale supply. We're going to break down everything happening with XRP, from ETF inflows to whale movements one by one. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this. If you're ready, let's get started. As I said, friends, our first stop is the world of ETFs. According to NewsBTC's latest report, there was a total inflow of $75 million into spot XRP ETFs in April. Look, this number is no joke. In particular, Franklin Templeton's ETF trading under the code XRPZ is leading this race. Do you know what's the most interesting part? While the market is generally focused on Bitcoin, institutions are quietly filling their bags with XRP. Currently, US spot XRP ETFs are holding over $1 billion worth of XRP in total. This means 1.20% of the total supply. If institutional investors are tying up this much money somewhere, we should assume they know something. As you can see here, we can see how reliable the signals are and that they tend to move upwards. In just 24 hours, a total of 35 million XRP were withdrawn from exchanges. This is the sixth largest withdrawal event of 2026. What do we call this? Funds are being withdrawn from exchanges to cold wallets. In other words, whales are not selling. On the contrary, they are securing the XRP they've accumulated. We can also see that 94% of these withdrawals are being made by giant wallets. So while small investors are panicking, actually the whales are moving their XRP to secure places. As you can see, if we look at the charts, the intervals are very close to each other and there is healthy trading activity going on. This also indicates that it could be gathering strength from below and might experience a surge upwards. Of course, these are not investment advice, just my personal opinion. If you like, you can also join our Telegram group. It's completely free. I share signals there. When we look at the charts on TradingView, we see that XRP is currently around 1.40 in the support zone and is accumulating in the 1.42 to 1.43 range. If the 1.40 support holds strong, this could be a signal for a sharp upward breakout along with whale purchases. So as I said, pay attention to these points, friends. In summary, folks, the institutional side is open, whales are accumulating, but the market is still asleep. So what are your expectations? What do you think about XRP? When do you think it will break above $1.50? Let's meet in the comments. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. See you in the next analysis. Take good care of yourselves. Goodbye.